Hello friends, this video is going to be on how to find the annual base premium of a car insurance policy. So the annual base premium of a car insurance policy. So if we look at question 10, the other thing I'm going to need my notes. And I'm going to need, I think, like page 14 or so in the notes. The top very first thing says liability insurance. But what you want is this table right here, to find annual base premium. So we want this table, all right? If we look at our question says that we have an annual liability premium for 300, and the property damage limit is 100,000. So we come over to our table and we find 300, and we find $100,000. So we are going to go down 300, and we're going to go across $100,000. And we are going to find the number 437. So right here, we are going to put $437.00. Then it says that we are age group B, insurance rating group 12. So we want B12. So here is the 12, and there is a B here in the collision, and there is a B here in the comprehensive. So we are going to go down the 12 and across the B collision and find the number 264. And then we are going to go down the 12 and across the B comprehensive to $94. And then we are going to add those three numbers together. So we are going to take these three numbers and we are going to add them. So we're going to add this and this. So when we do that, we get 0.7, and 8 is 15, 4, 10, 9, 5, 6, 7. I think we get 795. I'm going to add it on the calculator just to make sure I didn't make any careless errors. So $437 plus $264 plus $94, enter. $795. Excellent. Okay, so that is $795. Okay, now the annual premium. You'll notice over here in your notes that it says to find the annual premium, let's do this in a different color, let's do this in purple. You're going to take the annual base premium, which is what we just found, and multiply it by the driver rating factor, okay? So the number we just found times the driver rating factor. And over here is the driving rating factor of 2.05. So we are going to take 795 and we're going to multiply it by 2.05. Do that in purple ink. Times 2.05. So we're going to go times 2.05. And when we do that, we get $1,629.75. So $1,629.75. So because this person has had a car accident, because this person has had speeding tickets, because this person is young, or very old, or what have you, they have a driver rating factor of 2.05. So whatever their annual base premium is going to get multiplied by 2.05, and that's how much money they owe per year for their insurance. Well, they don't want to write one check for their insurance. So now what they're going to do is they are going to find that they're going to make quarterly payments. Quarterly payments. Quarter means 4. Quarter means 4. So we're going to take that $1,629.75, and we are going to divide it by the number 4. So we're going to go divided by 4 on our calculator, divided by 4 on our calculator, and we're going to get, that is not right, 1629.75 divided by 4. So we're going to make 4 payments, and each of those payments is going to be $407.44. Okay, and that is it, my friends. So let's try another. We'll need this table. Let's erase this table. Whoops. I'm going to erase. All right, new question. Okay. Maybe same question, looks like. Oh, it's different a little bit. All right. So the annual premium, $300. Property damage is $100,000. So over here on our table, here's $300. Here is $100,000. So we are going to go across, and we are going to go down, and we're going to see that we have $437.00. Then we have an age group B, and we have an insurance rating group of 12. So we're going to find the B, which there's a B here, and there's a B here, and we're going to find the 12, which is here. And to do collision, we're going to go down the 12 and across the B collision and find 264. And then we are going to go down the B and across the collision, which is $94. And then we're going to add those 3 numbers together. So we're going to add this and this. We're going to add those 3 numbers together. And when I added them, what color? I must have used green. And when we add them together, we get $795. Okay. Then what we notice, whoops, wrong color, is our driver rating premium is 1.25. So we are going to take we are going to take $795. We're going to multiply it by 1.25. And so we're going to take 795 times 1.25, and we're going to get $993.75. So here's the deal. This person, they have not had many accidents or many speeding tickets, or they might be a more experienced driver. At any rate, their driving rating factor is 1.25. And so because of that, their car insurance is going to be $993.75. Again, this person ends up making quarterly payments. What color did I do the payments in? Blue. This person's doing quarterly payments. So quarterly payments, quarter means 4. So we're going to take the answer we just had, which was $993.75, and we're going to divide that number by 4 and find out that this person's insurance payment is going to be, nope, I wanted that to be purple. Nope, I think I wanted it to be blue. This person's insurance payment is going to be $248.44. So the reason a lot of those numbers in the problem were the same was I wanted you to understand the comparison. So this person up here in question 10, they had a driving rating factor at 2.05. So they had a poor driving rating factor. This person had a better one at 1.25. So even though they have the exact same insurance, the exact same coverage, this person's paying less because their driving record is better, because their credit score is better. So let's look at question 12, and let's erase the table. Now, if you're using my paper tables, please try not to write on them. If you're using the one on the internet, you can't write on it. So, alrighty. So let's start fresh. Brand new problem. Brand new problem. The annual liability is a $5,100, and their property damage is $50,000. So $5,100 is right here, and a $50,000 is right here. So we're going to move across the $50,000, and we're going to move down the $5,100, and they intersect at $344. So this person is paying $344 per year so that they are insured for liability. In other words, property damage, medical for another person or another vehicle. Their age group and their insurance rating group is D10. So their age group is D, and their insurance rating group is 10. Okay, so we're going to find the D's. There's the D for collision, there's the D for comprehensive, and we're going to find group 10, which is right here. So we are going to move down group 10 and across D to find their intersection. Their intersection for collision is 203. So right here we're going to put 203. Then we're going to return to the table, and we're going to continue down the 10 to here, and we're going to go across the D, and they intersect at 62. So we're going to put $62 right here. And then we're going to add those numbers together. So we're going to take this, and we're going to take this. And when we add those numbers together, we're going to get 0 and a 0 and a point. And 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 more is 9. 4 plus 0 is 4, plus 6 is 10. 4, 5, 6. I think we get $609. I am going to add it on my calculator to make sure I didn't make any careless errors. So 344 added to 203, whoops, 203, Mrs. Leonard, added to 62. So 344 plus 203 plus 62 is $609. I am correct. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, so now I am going to go to the driver rating factor, and I'm going to take the answer I just got, which was $609, and I am going to multiply it by 1.33. Okay, so we're going to go times 1.33. And we're going to get $809.97. $809.97. $809.97. Okay, how often are we going to make our car payment, our car insurance payment? You agree to make the payment every I think that is supposed to be, you agree to make a payment every 6 months. I think the word months is supposed to be in there. Every 6 months. So if you make a car payment every 6 months, so I do think the word months is supposed to be in there. If you agree to make a car payment every 6 months, how many payments are paid in a year? That is 2. Because of 12 months, and we're going to do every 6 months. Equals 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So now we're going to take $809. So now we're going to take $809.97 and we're going to divide it by 2. And I think we get that. Let's go. Let's find out. Divided by 2. 404.99. Lost so much from my mental math. So we're going to do this every 2. And this is going to be $809. No. $404.99. So you're going to write them a check in January for $404.99. And then you're going to write them a check in July for $404.99. And then your car insurance will be paid for the year. I guess there's one more. If you want to hang on, I'll make one more for the video. You guys certainly could stop anytime. You know what you're doing. I'll do one more example. Okay. So, this person is annual liability $100, $200, and $100,000. So we go over to $100, $200. And we go to $100,000, and across $100,000, down $100, $200 is $386. So this right here is going to be $386.00. Then we're going to see that we are age group A and insurance rating group 15. So we are at A15. So here is an A, and here is an A, and here is the 15. So we're going to come down A. We're going to go across A and down 15. And we're going to get $343.00. Then we're going to go across A and down 15. And we're going to have $142.00. And so we're going to add those three numbers together. And when we add those three numbers together, we get 0.6 and 3 is 9 and 2 is 11. 9 and 4 is 13 and 4 is 17. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think you get 871. Let me add them together on my calculator, make sure I'm right. 386 and 343 and 142 is 869. Good Lord, did I type that in wrong? 386, 343, 142 plus 2. 871. I am correct. 871 is the right number. I didn't calculate it correctly on my calculator. All right, so then we are going to notice that, whoa, we have a driver rating factor of 2.25. Not very good. I've had some accidents. I'm young. I'm inexperienced. I have a terrible credit score. All of those things might be true. I'm going to multiply it by 2.25. And when I multiply it by 2.25, my insurance, because of my poor driving habits and my poor credit score, for 1 year is $1,959.75. So my yearly car insurance is $1,959.75. And I agree that I'm going to make a payment every 3 months. So if I take a payment every 3 months, that's 12 months divided by 3 months. That means I'm going to make 4 payments. So 4 payments. So I'm going to take that number, that 1959.75, and I'm going to divide that number by 4. And I'm going to find out that every car insurance payment I make is going to be $489.94. So I'm going to make that payment in January and in April and in July and October, and then I will have paid my car insurance for the year. All right, my friends, that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. You got this.